Hey guys, welcome to the third part of Thru Prank. The previous video got more than 3 million views, so I decided to shoot the third one. Write in the comments what should I do in the next part.
Guess who it is, it's the best in the biz. Amber, be alert, cause they checking for the kid Henderson. Yeah, I'm back, just doing what I do. I'm bored with your games, I suggest you get a clue. Yeah, it's like they never knew, I can spit it so precise.
The next order, please.
Hello, what do you have in chicken?
With everything in chicken.
Oh, yes, right. But can I get here chicken McNuggets?
No, sorry.
Damn. Alright, give me hot wings.
How many pieces?
3 pieces.
3?
Yes.
Buy 9 and you'll get 3 small French fries.
No, thanks. I just want 3.
Okay, is that all?
Yes, that's all.
Bon appetit.
Thanks. Excuse me, what did you give me? It's even shit.
I understood.
Please move forward.
So in KFC you sell so much fresh chicken?
Please move forward. You're wasting our time. You can drive forward and then come back.
It's okay, I'll eat it like this only.
Okay.
Ручкой я беру карандаш, снял обложку, когда подписывал тетрадь. Я играю в телефон, она ест печенье, одет как ученик.
How much?
Good afternoon.
Hello?
Your order is on the screen?
And where's the screen?
No, not to you.
Ah, okay.
Old book, pen, panel, я с виду будто из бригады белой.
Here's your order.
Oh, thanks. How are the French fries? Remedial?
They're tasty.
Actually, I've called. I want to put them into my nose.
Is something wrong, young man?
I couldn't find it.
Young man, we've recognized you. Please move forward.
Recognize?
Yes.
Damn, these French fries, it's burning my nose.
Here is the bill.
Bon appetit.
Burger King will never help you if you are in trouble. They don't give a shit about it.
Good evening. How can I help you?
Good evening. Well, I need some kind of Coke and French fries.
With cheese sauce.
No, without sauce.
Would you like to try sandwich grill?
No, I don't.
Your order is on the screen. It's 119. Collect your order in the delivery window.
Shit, where's my wallet? Ah.
$119 from you, please.
How much?
119.
What? 119? So cheap? It's like pennies. Coffee, French fries, and
119.
there is the penny. Thanks. Is it coffee?
Yes, black coffee.
The usual one?
Yes, you've ordered the usual black coffee.
Is it hot?
Of course.
Because I took it for my Big Johnny to cool down.
For whom?
For Big Johnny. Oh my god, it's so hot!
Why are you lying?
Can I get some ice?
It's not the same cup.
What do you mean?
I know you're shooting all this on the camera over there. Very funny guy.
No, they both are same cups.
You had the similar cup.
How did you notice all? That's really nice. Nobody usually noticed, but you noticed it.
Because of age, maybe.
Experience, yeah?
Yes.
Alright, thanks. Bye.
Bye.
The plan didn't work. I really don't understand how she noticed. Alright, tomorrow I'll go to another drive-thru.
Hello, 128 rubles, right?
Sorry? What?
128, right?
Really?
If it's not yours, then it's 493.
No, it's 128.
128.
Yeah, I ordered coffee and an ice cream cone.
Okay.
I just slept off.
Here is your change.
Thank you, bye.
Your bill, please. Black coffee. Also pass the ice cream cone, please.
Is it hot? Is it hot? Oh my god, it's so hot!
Oh my god, what happened?
Give me some ice!
Give the ice.
Oh my god, it's so hot! Ice! Thanks. Bye. I haven't done such mask before, guys. This was a real combo. Coffee and an ice cream. Hello, please give me chicken wings.
115 rubles, please.
Thanks.
Here's your change. 35. Bon appetit.
Wait, please. What did you give me?
Chicken wings.
It's fresh, but
What?
I didn't ask this much fresh. You gave me the alive chicken.
It's a joke, right?
I know Burger King sells always fresh chicken, but never expected this much fresh.
Guys, come here, please. I know today something is wrong with me, but I think it's a joke.
But your chicken is really so fresh.
Dima, is all okay with me?
Honestly, this is the first time something like this happened to me. On asking for wings, I got a live chicken.
Take it home, boil it, and make a soup.
Okay then.
Dima, is everything okay with me? Tell me, where are the chicken wings? Show me where it is.
Here are your wings which you gave me. Oh gosh, I'm really in shock. Well, okay, I'll eat it. What to do? Thank you.
But can you do a magic and bring back the wings?
Yes, but for this you need to turn around and count till 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm happy that's all okay with me.
Well, we're filming a prank. There's a camera.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks to you. I like your reaction. It was very positive.
Really?
Yes, thanks. Write in the comments how much would you rate to our today's actor. It tried its best, so today it will get more weed than the others. If you like this video, give it a thumb up. Write in the comments what should I do next time, and also write what did you like the most in the video. It was Efirov with you. See you guys. Blah blah.